The lawyer, Mr. Johnson, walked into his client's office with a grin on his face. He said, "I've got good news and bad news." The client, anxious but hopeful, responded, "All right, give me the bad news first." Mr. Johnson sighed dramatically and said, "Well, the good news is that you have been sued for $1 million." The client's face turned pale and he stammered, "That's terrible. What's the good news?" Mr. Johnson leaned in, his grin widened, and he whispered, "The good news is that the person who's suing you died yesterday." The client blinked, utterly bewildered. "Wait, what? How is that good news?" Mr. Johnson chuckled and explained, "You see, in this case, the person who filed the lawsuit was your long-lost cousin, and you were the sole beneficiary of the will. You will inherit $1 million." The client's shock turned into a huge grin as he realized the surprising twist. Well, I guess that's the way to turn bad news into good news. In the end, the client found himself not only free from a looming lawsuit, but also unexpectedly rich, all thanks to the bizarre and fortuitous turn of events.